What are some beautiful trees like dogwood that can take direct sunlight? And this is Reginald in Houston, Texas.
Yeah, well, the native redbud, there are so many different varieties of that. There's white blooming varieties, and there's all different kinds of the pink and the purple varieties of that, in different color foliage and different shapes. There's weeping forms, beautiful tree.
Agree.
Kousa Dogwood, that is a dogwood. He's got a dogwood, so this would bloom after the leaves appear on it, and it can take more sun than the Florida dogwoods. Of course, then there's fringe trees. There's a lot of fringe trees are beautiful.
Love them.
There's both American and Chinese fringe trees, and both of them are beautiful. And of course, now it's hard to recommend cherry trees, but because of the ambrosia beetles now, they take over the thin bark of cherry trees. But cherry trees are pretty, and they may not be as long-lived as some of the other trees, just because of all the diseases and things that they get. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, but they're pretty, and it depends on where it is and how long he wants it to stay there. But you know, the Kwanzan, like at the, you know, and the Yoshino cherries that they have around the Botanic Gardens in the Washington, D.C., that could work there. Also, there's one called Okame. It's one of the first ones to bloom in the spring that's real pretty. It might be, of the three, that would probably be the more hardy of the three and live with less problems, but they all are thin-barked, and the ambrosia beetles attack them, and they get the shot hole diseases in their leaves, and so, you know, it's hard to recommend them, but they are pretty.
They are pretty.
But they're short, maybe short-lived if you don't decide to spray on them, you know, with diseases and insects.
And I thought about the smoke tree. Do you like the smoke tree?
I love the smoke tree. There's some purple leaf varieties that look nice. Seen some of those. And it's unusual. It's not a showy bloom. But the bloom looks like smoke. So that's where it gets its name. So I like those also. Okay.
So again, those are some you know, nice trees that you can grow in direct sunlight.
In direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.